Lock-slack valve. Lock-slack valve is also called lock bucket valve. It relies on the operating device driving the ball rotate 90 degrees to open and close the valve. Lock-slack valve generally use pneumatic 2-bit switch type ball valve. It is very important for pulp, multiple pulp, and co-powder gasification device. A directly participation gasification furnace of roll slack program. It can meet bidirectional tightness in high temperature, high pressure ash slag of directly abrasion, bad working condition, and switch frequently. Our company developed a new design for lock-slack valve. The valve can be stuck in the past due to insufficient sealing surface hardness, medium damage caused by erosion or dust media flow into the seat. But our newly designed slack valve will avoid the shortness as a valve, greatly improving the overall service life of the valve. It can totally replace imported brand products. Main specifications: Design standard API 6D, size 2 inches to 20 inches, pressure class 105 to class 900, body material carbon steel, trim stainless steel, drive pneumatic actuator. 1. Produced the lock-slack valve has the following structure. 1. On the structure of fractions, fix the ball and the ball does not move after pressure. Forcing all of the work Sophia have passed to the upper and the lower sets of bearing and will not be passed onto the seat on the export side to avoid seat compression damage. 2. Double seat to make inlet and outlet seal. Both two seats were able to cut off the entrance of fluid, achieving double blocking function of the valve. 3. Valve body, valve stem adopts integration design. Processing to guarantee a Sophia valve stem to neutrally avoid the separating of seat stem due to frequent opening of the valve stem. 4. Inconel X750 spring or high temperature resistance fluororubber provides initial sealing of the valve and a unique sealing structure, ensuring no ashes and dust enter, thus to enable reliable floating seat and the seal of the Sophia work smoothly. 5. Seat adopts scribing structure design, while the valve open at same time to achieve spherical self-cleaning to prevent ash clogging on the sealing surface of the Sophia. 6. Use the metal heavy melt technology to fuse together nickel-based or Sophia material. Its combination force obviously is better than other way, can effective of prevent cemented carbide layer flake off. Usually, valve seat seal surface spray 955 material. Hardness can reach 52 to 55 HRC. Sophia seal surface spray 960 material. Hardness can reach to 58 to 62 HRC. Valve seat and Sophia between design reasonable of hardness difference. Ensure Sophia and the valve seat seal surface life more long, seal effect better. 7. Adopting big torque, pneumatic actuator and reliable performance of pressure regulating valve. Electromagnetic valve, directional control valve, pneumatic accessories such as limit switches, filters, and operation performance is good. Quality assurance of the lock-slack valve is 1. Body, seat, sprays and other sealing key components. Trouble-free operation time is not less than 6,000 hours. The life of the body and the whole valve is not less than 8 years, or at least 10 million times the circle operation of pressure and temperature. 2. Bidirectional tightness will reach invisible leakage requirements in maximum differential pressure. 3. The trim coating is 9 base and TCC, endure corrosion resistant, medium flush. 4. The design pressure of the valve is greater than the 1.5 times of the maximum working pressure.